guys, welcome back to my channel. Why me stressed out? Anyways, as me did I say, remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Them they are the first thing them to do before you start watch the video. You check? Me I go give you one joke. They always say people can only catfish people when they depend apps. Nothing no go so. That thing no go so. I tell you about one time when me catfish one man. So remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't skip out the ads. You see, if the ads stop, if the video stop and the ads start playing, make the ads run out, and then watch the video when the ads done. No skip out the ads, them. No skip them out. Watch them. Alright. So I'm going to story time. No. So one time, right? Me dey on the net, and a guy messaged me. He was about, when I met him, he was, I don't know if in that 50 or 40 other turn 50, but him did same 50. I don't remember age. And in all honesty, I don't remember age. But anyways, we got some boom now, and the man like me. So him used to comment for my picture them, you know, on Facebook, because you know back in the days that Facebook did that the in thing. Nobody, I never know, but I'm giving the sweetest joke too. I knew about Instagram for a long time now. I had Instagram. A lot of persons had the app Instagram, but did not know that Instagram would be this hot today. Because if I didn't know that Instagram would be this hot today, the amount of followers that me don't have, I have like 150,000 on Instagram right now. But if I knew that Instagram was gonna be the hottest app right now, me don't have like 1 million. Because I remember back in the days when Instagram did just come out, I have Instagram. I remember IMO and them something there. Yeah. When we did have Instagram, people used to follow me. If me not like them, me block them. And if they don't look good, me block them. And when they follow me, me never did know. Me not even did know say when they follow back people and people follow you a good something. So me never really, I mean, have my Instagram, me hardly post. Me not have a post on it. Instagram was just not my thing. It was Facebook for me. So I had like 500,000. Is that, yeah, that's it, 5,000, right? I had 5,000, we call Facebook followers too. I had 5,000 followers on Facebook because Facebook was the in thing, and then me did reach the limit. I could have had nobody else on Facebook. So, people, this guy now, him come from the Bahamas. And in all honesty, I never really catfish him still. I just never give him all the facts about me because I didn't know him and I just met him. This story time is not going to be long, guys, so don't kill me. I'm just, you know, so not kill me, not long. So I'm going to stop boom now, and the guy messaged me on Facebook. He messaged me in my messenger part. So I'm going to respond, and I'm telling you guys about the Friday. This is Friday, guys. This is Friday. This is Friday. So he messaged me Friday, and me and him text and we had talk. But at that point in time, I was pregnant with my first daughter. I was pregnant with Ariana. And my pregnancy was public. I've never hidden a pregnancy before. Once me breed, everybody knows that me breed. So, I'm pregnant with Ariana, and it was all over my FUCKING Facebook. Me have to cuss a bad word like a while. All over my Facebook. And this little dirty man message me now, you know, like off my nice, clean, slim, good body. Never check out my status properly if it's to say, me a breeding of people. Remember, I know, mind you know, the man left me because me a breeding, you know. Because me never say, I am pregnant. Me not need to say I am pregnant when it is all over my freaking timeline that I'm pregnant. Are you supposed to look for my profile and see where you are seek out before you seek out? It's just plain and simple. So long story short, I'm going to say boom. The man a text me. But I see true me is a girl, them time that me around, me pregnant when me at 18, my daughter me at 19. So true me now is a girl where, from them time there, me just straightforward and get to the point. If you want miss facts, that is your problem, not mine. Sorry for you. But when me want something away, me want me to tell you, say me want straightforward right away. So me now go so boom. A man text me. So a man say, hear me to him man now, because I don't know back in them time, they pay people on Facebook where I look you with some fake profile and say, so hear me to the man now, because he want my phone number. So hear me to him, the only way me give you my phone number, if me know say you is a real person, He said, oh, he might go know that. He said, he might go video call me. But true, me know say normally when I give them my number sometime on Facebook, the first thing they do is video call you and show you the dick. I never depend on part there. Because when me pregnant, me cross. So me a little bit on cross, you know. So the man now goes to boom now and say, me must send him my number. So me just say, you know what? Me never have nothing better to do, yeah, man. And me and my baby father never to agree. So me just send the man my number, yeah, man. Me send him. Send the man my number now. Me see one message come in. Me get $4,000 merely $5,000 because me not tell no lie. You see, some of my man them when them send credit, you not get no $1,000. I want to me hardly get $1,000 credit from a man in all honesty. The man them give me good credit and me like that because they know me rank. And me don't want $1,000 from nobody. $1,000 can't do nothing more than put on one service. And 2 minutes after that service done, give me enough credit and me and you will be friends. So your man send me one $5,000 credit. And the 4,000 not almost 5,000. So just say one $5,000 credit. Man send me one $5,000 credit. People, my smile broad from yesterday got the back of my head. What? Me say any rotten teeth me did have, any hole in my teeth, anything in my teeth, so no couldn't see everyone because me smile bright. Because so boom now, you know, people sweet me now. Come and say yes, if I ever want a little credit, man, me fine. Good. So me text him back now. I'm text him on Facebook, me never get no response. Me get a call. So I get a call, no sir, video call never make the time there, I never video call. In the call, my phone straight and tell me say, me must put on plan for my phone so he can talk to me. So, I go so boom now and he call me. So he call me now, me and him talk and he said to me say, when he call me, in all honesty, he never did up on the phone for all 3 minutes before. He said to me say, what's your name? So me now in my head, I wonder even if I tell the man my name or not. But as he send me credit and I don't want him to cut because I say, I find a credit man. I say, I tell him my name, man. And him say, what my address? And I tell him my address. And that was a Friday. And so Saturday morning early when me wake up around 8 o'clock. And mind you said, something there on my phone from when. It looked like the man sent the money from the Friday evening. But him never send me the receipt until the Saturday morning. Because him send the receipt for around 7 o'clock. Because when me wake up after 8, me see the receipt. It there on my phone long time. Guess how much money man send come give me people? Me I make no guess. Me I sip little juice cause me thirsty. And uno guess. Tell me what you think, you know. Oi, me bingo. $100,000 boy send me. Where say? And the first me ever get $100,000 in my life. Me not tell no lie. And the first me ever get $100,000. He sweet me. Me fool, me call everybody and tell them so me just get $100,000. No rich me feel like me rich people. And the first me ever see them as in my life. The man send me $100,000. The man tell me say, if I the same name when you send the money to, if me can travel, hear me now with my lads self. Them time them me not a passport, you know. Cause me never go look for a passport yet. Hear me to the man now. Yes, I the same name that I use travel and say. So a man say, if me have passport, I tell him say, no, me not a passport. He say, oh, then he call me and tell me say, I book him, I go book one ticket to take me over foreign cause a long time he want to find one nice Jamaican woman. I know that him find me, he will do anything to keep me. Hear me in my head now, Jesus Christ, why you give me belly, God? Why you give me belly? Me vex like a dog now. If I could have dash with the belly, me take you and fling me away. People, me nervous. The man send me $5,000 credit, $100,000. I don't know you from nowhere in this place one day. Friday, Saturday, people. So come on. Any woman I go feel good. I feel good in myself now. You know who me call first? My baby father. I rub in her face, you see me say, you don't want me, but man, I foreign want me. I rub in her face, you see people. Me say, me did it. Me nervous, me a turn fool, me nervous, cause me I say, yo, what me I go do? Monday morning now, you know, people, remember say that a Saturday now. I collect the money this Saturday, a good thing, so I collect the money this Saturday. Sunday, me and the man talk good on the phone. We had a good conversation. We had a good conversation. I feel good in myself, because I say, because you know when you're pregnant sometimes, all of your emotions, them heighten. And me and my baby father never good, as me say. So all I go through my head, yeah. You know what? I find somebody now where going to like me back. Monday morning, bright and early, the man send me one message. Right now, I can't go on him thing. Because I see him come up on me Instagram the other day and come DM me about, he never know, say me that turn star. Look me back, I say, me no blood clown on you, because you left me for foolishness. The man send me one text and block me on every blood clot thing. WhatsApp, Facebook. I say block me, the man don't block me. From that, I never talked to that man there until around 2 months ago. The other day. Yeah, the man saying the message, you know. I don't remember the exact message, but I'm going to tell you the most important part. Me is a catfisher because me a breed and not tell him. And the fact that my belly is still young means that me and my baby father still there. Now, that was the part that pissed me off because before you come to me, you see, just reason with me, try level with me and ask me, say, yo, your baby father still there or not? It's pretty simple, you know, ask the question. Because at that point in time, we never depend nothing. The man left me through me a breed. Well, fuck you. I get 100,000 or 5,000 like credit. I no lose nothing. I never send you no pussy. I never send you nothing. So me for the ball. I never ball. Fuck you. So all if you say this, fuck you, same way, idiot. So anyways, people, yeah. That's one of the time when I was accused of being a catfisher. I never know no more that I was going to see me here. Oh, at this. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Screenshot the part where you love, the part will make you laugh, and put it on your WhatsApp status and put up the link and tell the people them say check out channel. Alright then guys, big up on a nice skin self. Bye.